Two-factor authentication, not working on CrowdStreet Fix. If your two-factor authentication isn't working on CrowdStreet, you're not alone. This issue often frustrates investors, but it's actually very easy to fix once you know what's going wrong. Most of the time, it comes down to time sync, app settings, or a minor verification error. Start by checking your phone's date and time settings. Two-factor authentication codes are time-sensitive and rely on precise synchronization. If your phone's clock isn't accurate, your codes won't match. Go to Settings, turn on Set Time Automatically, and restart your device. If you use Google Authenticator, open it, go to Settings, tap Time Correction for codes, and select Sync Now. Next, confirm you're entering the latest 6-digit code. The window to enter it is short, only about 30 seconds, so if you wait too long, it will expire. Generate a fresh code and try again. If you're using SIM-based verification and not receiving codes, make sure your phone can receive short code messages. Weak signal or carrier filtering can sometimes delay or block delivery. Switching to mobile data or restarting your phone often helps. Still stuck? Update your CrowdStreet app or browser to the latest version. Outdated versions can cause authentication mismatches or timeout errors. If you've changed devices or deleted your Authenticator app, you'll need to reset your FA. On the CrowdSync login page, select Can't Access FA and follow the guided recovery steps. You'll verify your identity, then get instructions to re-enable two-factor authentication securely. And here's a quick pro tip: after resetting your FA, save your backup recovery codes in a safe place. They can save you hours of trouble if you ever lose your phone again. So, if your two-factor authentication isn't working on CrowdStreet, relax, it's usually a small sync or setup issue. Once you make these quick adjustments, you'll regain access and get back to managing your real estate investments securely.